Question number 1. Name of the first atomic submarine of India. Answer INS. Chakra. Question number 2. What is the name of first British to visit India? Answer. Hawkins. Question number 3. Where is India's first nuclear center? Answer. Tarapur. Question number 4. Name of the first Chinese pilgrim to visit India. Answer. F.A. Hien. Question number 5. Name of the first foreign recipient of Bharat Ratna. Answer. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Question number 6. Where was the first post office opened in India? Answer. Kolkata in 1727. Question number 7. The first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Answer. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 8. The first space tourist of India. Answer. Santosh George. Question number 9. The first aircraft carrier India ship. Answer. INS. Vikrant. Question number 10. The first Indian who reached South Pole. Answer. Colonel J.K. Bajaj. Question number 11. First Indian who won billiards trophy. Answer. Wilson Jones. Question number 12. The first Indian author to get the Anderson Award. Answer. Ruskin Bond. Question number 13. The first Indian missile. Answer. Prithvi. Question number 14. The first Chief of Naval Staff of India. Answer. Vice Admiral R.D. Katari. Question number 15. Father of Green Revolution. Answer. S. M. Swaminathan.